So here we are with Ron. Ron, what are we doing? Wiping down the panel?
Yeah, you don't want any contamination or anything under
Okay.
the, while you're sanding, make any more deeper scratches.
So and then after that, what is the process? Like 1500, 2000?
Yeah, we're gonna start.
So this is at 2000. And this is what it looks like at 2000. Let's go on the other side. Where's that light at, bro? So here we are. This is dirt, 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 dirt. So what we're doing right now with Ron is what are we doing, Ron? Flattening them out?
Yeah, we're just we're nibbing. We nib it out, just kind of cut it out real quick. 2000 grit, and then once we've cut all the dirt in 2000, we're gonna hit the whole panel with 3, and that's when we'll start compounding.
So if you guys remember the run that I had on the gas fuel cap, here is Ron. He is correcting it, he is fixing it, he is flattening it out, and he did a good job. You guys will see it right now. So here it is at 3000. After the 2000, it's nice and flat. It is ready for compound and polish, and it should be done. It should be good.
Pads. This is polishing pad right here, and then this is compounding pad. It's brand new, so it's gonna be very nice.
So this is the interior of the Scion. It has 119,000 miles. It has a stereo. It is a manual transmission. You can see compound all over the car. It has a moonroof, and it is a nice little car overall. Gas saver, about 28 miles a gallon city driving. And let's go check out the outside. So this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think. This is a 2-stage paint. At different angles, you can see the different colors. In person, you could see the transition. I've asked a few people that I know. They cannot see the blend, the transition, so I'm happy with that. So this is where the blend is. You can see some red metallics on the old paint, and you can see a fewer less red metallics on the new paint. It's a little bit more purple. But overall, here is the run. This is how Ron left it. Look at that mirror finish. You cannot see the run anymore, so I'm happy with that. And then I did the body work to the quarter panels, and I think they came out pretty clean. So guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of this rebuild project. If you would like to know more about public auctions and rebuilding vehicles and how-tos, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you guys for the next video. If you guys would like to see more videos, I will link them right now on the left side. And I will see you guys soon.